Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special with 36,258 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket 2-to-1 exhaust, upgraded cams, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, aftermarket handlebars, grips, handguards, an upper fairing brace, aftermarket rear shocks, LED turn signals, Saddleman saddlebag lid covers, highway bars, saddlebag guards, a Master Tune tuner, custom passenger seat bracket, and headlight trim. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Road Glide puts 122 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Road Glide has a 200 to 250 mile range. It weighs in at 853 pounds and has a 27.4 inch seat height. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the primary case. This bike has one key and one fob. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.